Hi guys, welcome back. I just want to show you this FCC hack that I've done with the Beyond app. This is a goggles view. I'm just going to go through and show you what channels I've got. So before I did this hack, I only had the auto at the top. It was greyed out. The ham file, it still was greyed out with a ham file. I couldn't get any of this. So I found the Beyond app, and it didn't have the DJI Avata 2 drone on it, but I just thought I'd do it anyway to see if it'd open it, and it did. So these are all the channels that I've got. Some of them are sort of like, there's not a lot of signal on some of them. Some are red, obviously on the 2.4 gigahertz. Some of them are red and orange, but on the 5 gigahertz, it's really strong. Every one of them is really strong. I've already done a test with it, and I did 1,000 meters. I flew around a building without the hack, and I lost signal, and it returned to home. And when I put the hack in, I flew about just over 1,400 meters, and I flew around the building and round another building, and I didn't lose signal once, and I still had 60 megabytes a second on the goggles in the bottom right hand corner. So yeah, these are the settings that I've got. So I don't know if the ham file gives you all these settings, because when I put the ham file in, I never got any of this, you know. So yeah, if you want to open up your DJI Avata 2 in the UK, the ham file, if you want to keep it and happy with it, then keep that. But if you want to download the Beyond file, the Beyond app, sorry, and follow the instructions, then this is what you'll get. So I'm very happy with it anyway. So yeah, there you go.